Delivery driver is caught on camera relieving herself in front of customers' homes just moments after dropping off their packages.
What the hell?
Disgusted homeowners in Woodland Hills awoke to find the mess right on their doorstep.
And the surveillance footage shows the driver relieving herself not once, but twice, just minutes apart.
Crazy.
The delivery driver has already been relieved, you might say, from her job, but certainly you can't unsee this.
KTLA's Carlos Cesado is live in Woodland Hills with more. Quite a story tonight, Carlos.
Yeah, we're Kareen. We've heard the saying, when you gotta go, you just simply have to go. But this takes it to a whole nother level. An Amazon delivery driver leaves a nasty surprise on this Mother's Day, and she was caught in the act
What a gift.
twice. A delivery driver for Amazon can't seem to hold it in on more than one occasion. A woman is seen about to leave an Amazon package at this porch off Llano Drive in Woodland Hills around 5:30 Mother's Day morning. But she also leaves a smelly surprise. She relieves herself, does number one and number two before pulling up her shorts and walks away. The homeowners were expecting a Mother's Day gift.
When I woke up, my husband said he was going to bring me some coffee and a pastry. He went downstairs and was greeted by not only one package, but a second inappropriate, disgusting package, which was essentially like human feces and looked to be urination.
Tamara Bedoy and her family could not believe their eyes after watching the footage from their surveillance cameras.
You can see the mess that she left. So I was really disgusted. It was a horrible experience, and my husband unfortunately had to pick it up on Mother's Day. And
she was not done. On another delivery later that morning, the worker is seen urinating on the front property of a different Woodland Hills home. She pulls down her shorts, does her business, and takes off like nothing ever happened.
Nasty piece of shit.
I kind of like clutched my pearls a little bit because I'm like, really? A second time? I was kind of like, wow, still not done.
It's unclear why the driver just couldn't wait to find a restroom. The incidents happened 20 minutes apart, the homes less than 1 mile from one another.
It was disgusting, like very disgusting.
Because this is something you guys would never do, right?
No. She probably had Taco Bell before.
Amazon reps say the driver was an independent contractor, adding in a statement, quote, "We're deeply disturbed by the unacceptable behavior of this delivery driver and apologize to the customers involved. We immediately identify the driver and they are no longer delivering on behalf of Amazon."
Let me tell y'all something. I've had this kind of similar situation, not like this where I'm going on somebody's front lawn, nothing in the sense of that, but in the sense of when you gotta go, right? And I was on a bus stop one morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, on a bus stop. I'm talking about on a bus, I'm maybe about an hour and a half away from my home, and all of a sudden that rumble in the jungle hit my stomach. And I'm a person that I like to get up early and get, relieve myself before I even leave the home so I won't have to do anything out in public. Let's just say I'm glad that I carry napkins and wipes and stuff like that in my bag, especially when I was on the BUS. I had to run across the parking lot to a mall and go behind a dumpster and hoped and prayed that no one came around that corner, because I almost didn't have that much coverage. I'm sure whoever was on that camera saw me. I had to go. I didn't want to, but I had to go. It was better to go behind the dumpster than to go in my pants. Man, y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that notification bell, hit all of that, man. It's your boy Urben Currse, man. Yo, this was nasty. Y'all go in the comments and let me know what y'all think about this, because this one was off. You already know it's your boy.
Hello.